Hello, hello, hello. What is up? What is up? What is up? So today I'm bringing you my granddaughter. She is going to do her mermaid makeup look for you. So sit back and enjoy. Go ahead and roll that intro.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply my mermaid makeup. So this is lip balm. We're going to put this on first. So this is how you do it. It looks like this.
It's all sparkly.
And pink.
Yeah. You might want to put on a little more so they can see it. There you go. I'm going to put some on too since I only have on lip gloss.
And next we're going to put on blush. This is my sparkly blush.
Now this can be used for blush and eyeshadow, right?
Yeah. Will you open this?
Okay. This can be blush or eyeshadow out the makeup kit.
Yes.
Let's show them how. She dropped it, so it broke a little.
Yeah.
That's a pretty sparkly color.
Yeah, and it's white pink instead of dark pink. So we're going to need this.
For the blush?
Yeah. We're just going to do this and get the little on and do this. And put some more on and do this again. And that's how you put it on.
All sparkly mermaid-like.
And,
you gotta use it for your eyeshadow too.
oh, and we're going to do with eyeshadow. So this is how I normally put on eyeshadow.
And kind of tap, tap, tap so it doesn't.
And now we put it on. I usually do this all the time. And that's how you put it on. Do you want some, Rima?
I think I have enough eyeshadow on. Do you want, should I put a little on to give it some sparkly? Okay.
And there's also a mirror there, just in case if you want to use it.
Okay, so I'm gonna just dip it in just a little and tap, tap, tap. And then I'm going to put some on like this. And I'm gonna use the little mirror here. Give me a little sparkle, mermaid sparkles, like that.
And next we're going to put on this. It's my mermaid lip gloss. It's super pink and it has lots of sparkles. So this is how you put it on. You do this and do that.
Ooh, super pink.
And that's how you put it on.
Should I put some of that on too?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of watery though.
Okay, and it's very sparkly. Mermaids are all about sparkles, right?
Yeah.
And the thing about this mermaid makeup is that it is safe for the environment.
Is it safe for water?
It'll come off in the water. If you wear it in the water, it's going to come off. But it's safe for the environment, and it won't hurt any fish or anything like that if you do wear it in the ocean.
And it washes off.
Yes, that's important. It washes off. Makes it easy to come off at the end of the day, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now that we have our face made up, what do we get to do next?
We get to put on eyelashes.
We're going to put on some of our magnetic eyelashes because they are safe and cute to wear, even for kids like who are in cheerleading, pageants, dance, any type of thing like that, right?
Or ballet.
Or what?
I said ballet.
Yeah, ballet, especially ballet. Any of those dances where you gotta get pretty with the sparkly and lashes and stuff. Now any mom can help put on lashes because all it is 2 coats of magnetic mascara and lashes. And we're going to probably put some bling on it too to really show off that mermaid sparkly. So I'm going to go ahead and use brown on you. You can turn and look at me. Close your eyes. Okay. So we're going to put 2 coats of liner on each eye. And I'm using brown. It comes in brown, black, or gray. And I'm going to use brown on her since we use some light colors. And she's kind of fluttering, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the great thing about these magnetic liner and lashes. It does not have to be perfect to go on. So we got that eye. You want to look at it and see?
That's good.
Okay, close your eye. So we're going to do this one with 1 coat while that one is drying. And I always shake it up as much as I can because I want to make sure that those particles are doing what they're supposed to do and are really magnetized. And like I said, it does not have to be perfect. So any mom and even kids have learned to put on their own magnetic lashes. Okay, so we do 1 coat, we let that kind of dry. Now we're going to do the 2nd coat. So we're going to go ahead and turn around, close your eyes. I got a little bit on your lash. So we're going to do our 2nd coat of liner.
Yes.
And we're going to let that one dry for a minute because we want to make sure it's completely dry. And you're all sparkly with your mermaid makeup. You're ready for a performance because we're going to do karaoke later. So she's going to be nice and ready for her performance for karaoke. But yeah, if you have any girls that are in any activity where they need to glam up, these magnetic lashes are going to be perfect for it. And a lot of girls are doing them themselves. They're just so easy. Put a little bit more. I'm almost out. I need to re-up. On my brown magnetic liner. Okay, there we go. We're gonna let it dry. She has on liner. I love that lip gloss. What do you think about the lip gloss?
I really like it. I almost put it on every day of school.
Do you? When you go to school?
I always put it on before school.
And your school is what, online or in person right now?
Online.
But it's going to be in person soon?
Yes.
Cool.
But I do go to my school to pick up stuff.
Oh, so have you met your teacher in person?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And my friends.
Oh, good, good. So online classes really aren't that bad, are they?
Yes.
Great.
And we get to read lots of books in my class.
And what other things do you guys
do? We get to do music and we get to do PE.
Oh, okay. What do you do during PE?
We just like do running and exercise stuff.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to put bonfire lashes on her. They're kind of spiky, but I figured this would be a good lash to kind of show off if she had a performance. She has such long lashes naturally. I didn't want to overdo it, so we're going to do bonfire on her. So those should be nice. That liner should be good and dry, right? And then you just sit that on that magnet and just kind of press it. Make sure that lash is sticking to that magnetized liner. Open your eye.
It looks good.
Let's put the other one on. And you want to make sure that liner is dry because we want it to stick, not because it's wet, but because it's magnetized to the liner. She has such little eyes. It's a little different when I'm doing it myself. I'm trying not to. I have to squeeze it on there to make sure it's on. So, open your eyes.
I like it.
So, look up.
Good.
So that is the bonfire lash. And simple to put on. So if you have a girl or a kid in any kind of doing any type of performance, ballet, dance, cheer, pageants.
Just any kind of dance you like.
Yep, and they need to get all sparkly and pretty. You can easily put lashes on them too, right?
Mm-hmm.
And let's top it off because I mean, let's, you know, if you're doing a performance, we gotta sparkle a little bit. So we have bling, and it's on the magnet strip, and
so it'll be really, really easy to put on.
very easy to put on. And I'm just going, that magnet is just going to attach to the magnet of that lash, like so.
And it's super, super glamorous.
Super, super glamorous. Put this one on this side. And now it's just magnet. So at the end of the day, you just take some remover and take it off.
Yeah.
All right. So if anybody is looking to get their daughter some safe makeup, sparkly makeup, we have our Mermaid Safe line.
And we can just wipe it off with a paper towel or something.
At the end of the day.
Yes.
And if you're looking to get some lashes for yourself or your daughter, all it takes is some liner, 2 lines of this, and then pop your lashes on, and then top it off with some bling if you want. I'm wearing Wonder Lash 2, which has a hint of red on it, you know, so that easy. All right. So, thank you so much for tuning in, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in. You could be anywhere in the world today, but you decided to be right here with us, and we truly appreciate it, and we do not take that for granted. Is there anything you want to say, Ava?
What I want to say is you can do anything, and if you want these, you can buy them.
Yeah. Just contact me, and we can get them ordered for you. Okay?
Okay.
Until next time, everybody. Deuces.